Viewers, now I am going to make a review on Gama number 13 fountain pen. There are four variants depending on the color of the body. One is dark blue, black, and green, and another one is the turquoise blue. So let us check the construction of the pen. Now the cap is silver cap, and as well as gold trims are there, clips are gold. And if you open, this is like a Parker vector nib, and if you open, this is an plain barrel. This is an eyedropper model, and in all the eyedropper models, please apply Vaseline on the threads to have a good life on the thread, and as well as the lubrication will give you a good life, and for longer time you will not get any leak problem. So this is a very simple pen, and let us check how this pen writes. This is a medium nib. Now start in is one of the best pen shops in India. For this pen, low viscous inks are preferred. In our experience, we have dealt high viscous inks to give some flow problems. So you use low viscous inks like Parker and Camlin, all those stuffs. So these are the four color variants. If you have any questions on this pen, please leave us in the comments so that we can help you better. Thank you for watching this video.